The long-running legal dispute over the estate of the late former President Robert Gabriel Mugabe has taken another dramatic turn, with the High Court throwing out an application by a man claiming to be Mugabe's son. Sabina mashoko bura panguva ino tichiona ava vematare panguva ino chidismisa our the person IGT is the son of the former elected president wenyika yeZimbabwe. Kuti subscribe like on the bell icon. Tipina apana pabunamugani pamuchidzi tonderai Gabriel Mugabe approached the court seeking to reopen the estate DR 2703/19, arguing that he had been unjustly excluded from the distribution of Mugabe's assets. Represented by lawyer Umwe Anoti requested permission to challenge the master of the High Court's decision to finalize and close the estate in December 2020. However, High Court Judge Justice Fatima Maxwell dismissed the application, citing an inordinate delay and lack of credible evidence. The delay is inordinate, and the explanation given for it is not satisfactory. Justice Maxwell said in a ruling. The court noted that the application had been filed in February 2025, more than 4 years after the estate was closed. Tunderai claimed he was born in 1977 in Mozambique to Hilda Maika and was a biological son of the late president. He submitted DNA test results, a revised birth certificate, and affidavits from relatives in an effort to support his case, but the court was not convinced. The DNA report submitted by Tunderai suggested a sibling relationship with an individual named Laurencia Mugabe. However, the judge says this fell short of establishing a direct biological link to the late president. The court further criticized Tunderai for failing to take timely action or provide a coherent timeline of events. Erroneous proceedings are not an excuse that prevents the running of the time within which the application for review is to be filed, she added. The ruling also pointed to the potential prejudice to beneficiaries of the estate who had relied on the closure of the matter 4 years ago. Though mashoko anobuda panguva ino this guy achiblokewa achinzi haana kuprovide credible evidence yekuti angauya achishow up achiclaima maclaims ake achiverify kuti ndechokwadi kuti is the son of the late president Robert Gabriel Mugabe. Pina comment section medu kuti mapuro enyu tumuye pamusoro pechirwere ichi. So subscribe, like, onchete nokuti na on the bell icon.